Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia, and now I have another envelope to open, another parcel in my 5 years on YouTube giveaway. This one here comes from Greece. I don't think I've ever got a parcel. I might have got a parcel from Greece, but I don't remember. And this is from Eva Seferiadou. To say your name, Evie, I'm so sorry. Seferiadou. Look at the stamps. Aren't the stamps awesome? Oh dear, I love these stamps. I'm going to keep the stamps and put them in something. I love the stamp. Thank you so much. This is not a tiny piece of fabric. Oh, Eva, your name is. My nana's name was Eva. Fancy me not being able to say that. Oh, that's. Oh, thank you so much. This is really cool. Thank you for sending to me this parcel. This is supposed to be a tiny piece of fabric, but that's okay. I can cope. Nobody panic. Let me see. I can't get out. I'm trying to. Not without cutting anything. I think I'm doing okay. But you know what? I don't think I've cut through the plastic container that it's inside here. Won't it? Okay. Righto. We've got it. We've got a card. Right, we've got a card. Here's a parcel. Oh wow, look at me parcel. Oh, a parcel. Oh, isn't this a nice parcel? Oh dear. Oh, look at the parcel. Look at the sorry, I'm sidetracked with everything. Thank you so much, Eva. Oh, look at the card. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. It's got a feather and some beautiful flowers and a bow. Oh wow, thank you. I love these little bits here too. These are really cool. Gee, this feather's beautiful. These nice, these flowers. And you made me a nice card. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dear Sonia, here is my entry in your giveaway. I've sent you a collection of fabric. I've so many. I was a seamstress for over 30 years and I have many leftovers. Oh dear. Happy crafting. Eva, I'm sorry darling, I can't say your last name. I will put it up on the my YouTube channel. I'm sort of a bit stunned by the beautiful card and the fact that you didn't use some of your things that you've collected up over the years. So thank you so much. That's very kind of you to share these beautiful things with me, and I really do love your card. Is so pretty. You went to a lot of trouble for doing this for me. Thank you so much, darling. I really appreciate that, Eva. Thank you. Oh, look at this. This is a bag. This is a bag. It's like a drawstring bag, and it's nice, isn't it? Nice. Oh, it's amazing. Oh dear. So it's what's in here. Oh my goodness me. Oh, thank you so much for sharing all these wonderful things with me. Thank you. That is very, very kind of you. This is what, look here. This is a good bag. Just the thing for me to put me bits of work in, isn't it? Isn't that nice? Oh, I love that. I'll put some bits of work in there and I'll know what I'm doing. I hope. I've got lots of writing in that on there. I'll sit there and read that later. Okay. Oh dear, look at this. Oh! Oh wow. Oh, I got some. Oh, look at these trim things. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, I don't have any of these sorts, do I? Oh, she's made it, rolled it up and put a little bow on it. Look at that. Oh, isn't this neat? Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. That is beautiful. And to present it like that, you can nearly leave it like that way, couldn't you, forever? It's so lovely. Thank you so much. And here's a different colour one, the same sort of ideas, but different colours in it. Look at that. Isn't this lovely? Thank you. Oh, I do like this, Eva. Thank you so much, darling. That is so beautiful. I've got another bit. Oh, this is soft. Oh, isn't that lovely? That is so soft and beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I do love them. Thank you very much for sharing me these. These are very nice. Oh, very nice is not the words. I've got to use better words there, Sonia. Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much, Eva. I love those. Thank you. Oh, and then I've got this piece. Oh, dear, look. She's folded them all up. Ooh, ooh. Oh, dear, look at this bit. Wow. Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you. Isn't this a beautiful thing? Oh, oh my God, look at that. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that, should I? Oh my goodness. Isn't this nice? Please forgive me, everybody. I didn't swear, but I just... Isn't that cool? Oh, and there's looks more down here. It just goes along like that, the pieces of the leaves on it. And I've got heaps here. Wouldn't this be good? Oh, I love this. Isn't this awesome? Oh, wow, thank you. I'll be able to do something with that. I'm going to do some leaves with that. And some flowers with it too, maybe. I don't know yet. It's going to be just the thing, because look at this. If you put this over your page too, it has lines. You can't really draw it, but isn't that cool? Wow, thank you so much. And this is beautiful. Oh, I do love that. Oh, thank you so much for this. This is so nice. Oh, look at this piece. Ooh. Oh, dear, this is go good in the Gypsy book. Oh, dear, look at it. Oh, isn't this beautiful? I don't know what this is, but it's nice. By gee, this is nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, all these beautiful, beautiful things. And I've got a whole heap of this. Isn't this lovely, everybody? Look at that. It feels so good. It's got all that really nice texture on it, because it's embossed, like, you know. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this piece. Oh, thank you. This is awesome. I love it. Oh, dear, look at that. Oh, thank you so much. So lovely. Every piece. And this bit, look at it. Oh, there, you can feel them. You can, like, they're sitting up on them little spots. They're like, yeah, they're raised little spots on that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I got another piece. Oh dear, I feel... I'm so excited, but I feel... Oh, I do... Thank you. I really do thank you for these lovely pieces. And there's another one. All these beautiful florally ones. They are just awesome, aren't they? I love the florally ones. I do like them all. I do so much like them all. Look at this one here. Oh, isn't that so nice? Oh dear, I've got ideas happening, because I've been doing some things with it. You know, I started the book a while back, and I'm doing one, and I can then, you know, get all the ideas coming from it, and then go to the next thing. Look at this one here. This is really nice. I do love this. Oh, I do love that. Yes, I do. And this one, oh, look at this one. She's got me. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. And see, that could be the cover of a one that's nature one, couldn't it? You know? Oh dear. Thank you very much. Oh, look, there's another bit. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, look at them. Aren't they so pretty? Oh, every piece. Look at the stars. Oh, wow. Oh dear, look at that. And the squares. Love the squares and the spots. Oh. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all these beautiful pieces. Wow. Thank you. I think you give me a piece of this one, did you? You got 2 bits of that? Oh no, it just looks like that one there. That's okay though, isn't that good? They're all really nice, aren't they? I thought I've seen that other sort of... But see, I think they all go together, don't they? Because the... Oh, look at this. Look, see how much they go together, them pieces, if you want to match them up to do something. Oh, I'm not going to ever get any sleep. I'll be worrying about what I'm going to make. Not worrying. I won't be worrying, because I lay there thinking, oh, I could do that and do that and do that. I used to have a piece of paper and a pen next to bed, so I would write down things that I thought of in the night time. So I wouldn't forget them. You know, you think, oh dear, I could do this and do that. Look at this. Oh, these are beautiful. Thank you so much, Don. They are so nice. All of them absolutely beautiful. Love all these tiny prints. They are just awesome. I don't know if they're very easy to come by these days, but I suppose they wouldn't be. I don't know. But I wouldn't be able to buy anything like this over here. I wouldn't think so. These are so good. Thank you so much. It's so nice to have these beautiful pieces. Thank you so much. Look at that. That'll be absolutely gorgeous on a pocket or something, wouldn't it? Envelope. Oh, look at the stripy one. Wow. Oh, look at the colours on this. Oh, look at that. Aren't they good? And here's another piece. I'm seeing these going together, these things, matching one another. Look at that's the same sort of pattern as that one there. Look at that. So they go really good together, don't they? Oh, look at this. Oh, I do like that. It's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful colours. Oh, this is going on for a long time, isn't it? Wow. Oh dear. There's another stripy piece and another bit. Oh. Oh, look at them. Aren't they nice? Oh, thank you so much. Oh dear. Oh dear. Thank you. And spotty one. And it's the same as the first spotty one, only a different colour. Oh no, the first one's got hearts. This has got spots. I do love that too. And this one here. Oh, these are nice. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, these are fantastic. This is good for, it's a heavier sort of thing for doing pockets and stuff, isn't it? Wow, I do love that. That is awesome, that is. And this one, thank you so much for these, Eva. They are so brilliant. I just absolutely love them. And these ones, and this. Oh, look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? They're a good thing. Like, I really love the colours and things like that, don't get me wrong, because I really do. But then you can put those on these ones that are sort of, you know, one colour. You understand what I mean? You can use these sort of things, the pretty, oh, well, all of it's pretty, but you can add these colours. I've seen something here that would, I'm just going to have a peep, because like I said, I'm going to be, hang on a minute, this might be, this could be one. So these sort of things, these sort of colours will go really good if you've got something that's sort of neutral. You know, they go really well with them and bring out the, it all comes, you know, together with these sort of different plain colours, which are really nice. So I've got something to do. I've got the floral and I've got the plain, so it'll all go together really nicely. You know, you can put florals on florals, of course, but I find it easier to start with a pretty basic plain background myself when I'm doing something, and then I like to add the contrasting things or whatever going with it, or you know, whatever you think will fit best with that. That's what I look at anyway. I really enjoy putting my colours together and different things. So this is awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. And now I've got all the greens in it. Look at this. Love all the greens too. Wow. Oh dear. I think I had something with greens. I can put that in it too. But if I don't, I'm sure I've got some of it somewhere. That's probably not the right colour green. Although that might not look too bad. I had the hiccups a bit this morning. I'm sorry about that. This one here, look, it might go nicely with that. Look at that. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Wow. They look awesome together. And then you could put that sort of colour too, because they'd pick up, if you had that colour with it, to pick it up as well. So I have to look at all that sort of thing when I'm doing these things. Isn't this beautiful? I love these colours. Thank you so much, Eva. I really do. They're just a good size too, aren't they? Absolutely amazing. This is nice. Oh, I love that. Oh, I do like that. Isn't that pretty? Now, if I was putting that with something, I'd go with the white, maybe. Anyway, I probably have to find that piece somewhere in something else, but you'd put it something with the purpley colour, you know. You could put a bit of green behind it, and it should add these colours to whatever you put it with. So this is absolutely awesome. I do love that. I do love that one, and this one here is the same sort of idea, but different, like different colour. Isn't this beautiful material? I've got no idea what that made of. This is like a silky sort of thing, isn't it? Wow, that is neat. That is. Thank you so much. I really like that, and this is what it comes wrapped up in. And that is a really good neutral colour to use with a lot of things that I, you know, that's how I work with those sort of things. Thank you so much for that, Eva. I really do love every tiny, every beautiful, lovely piece, every piece of this beautiful fabric that you've sent me. I'm going to have so much fun. I'm going to have so much fun. I got all these beautiful things here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I really do. Oh, I love that piece too. I love this piece and I love this piece. Oh, thank you so much. They are so lovely. Thank you. I really do love it all. Thank you so much, Eva, for that. I really appreciate you sending that to me, and with this beautiful card that you made me. That's very kind of you for doing that for me. I'll put that somewhere. I'll pin that up on my curtain probably, because I do have a lot of stuff pinned up there. I've got to be careful it doesn't fall down, but it'll be fine. Thank you so much, Eva. I really love it all. Thank you, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Bye-bye.